On the morning of the 30th of June, 1908, a massive explosion rocked the remote forests of Siberia without any warning. There was no volcano or earthquake, just a sudden, blinding flash in the sky, followed by a powerful blast. The shockwave was so intense it flattened millions of trees, and people hundreds of kilometers away felt the heat. For days, the night sky across Europe and Asia glowed with a strange, eerie light, baffling observers everywhere. When researchers finally reached the site, they discovered a massive zone of destruction with trees lying in a giant pattern. The trees pointed outward, suggesting something had exploded high above the ground. Yet there was no impact crater. No giant pieces of metal or debris were found, making it look like the object had simply vanished into thin air. Scientists now believe this was an airburst, where a small asteroid or comet exploded before hitting the surface. Because the object broke apart high in the atmosphere, it released enormous energy without leaving a classic crater. This lack of physical evidence sparked countless theories, ranging from alien spacecraft to secret weapons and black holes. The alien theory gained popularity because the event felt too powerful and sudden to be a natural occurrence. However, science offers a simpler explanation. Earth is constantly moving through a space filled with wandering rocks. Most of these objects burn up harmlessly, but occasionally, one is large enough to reach our atmosphere. The Tunguska Event serves as a stark reminder that the sky is not empty, and our planet is vulnerable. If this massive explosion had occurred over a major city, the course of human history would have been changed forever. More than a century later, Tunguska still captures our imagination by sitting between the worlds of science and mystery. One world belongs to the cold facts of asteroids and impact risk, while the other belongs to the unknown. Perhaps the true mystery is not about aliens or weapons, but the sheer power of natural cosmic events. The universe can create phenomena so dramatic and destructive that they feel as if they came from another world. Tunguska remains a haunting example of how nature can produce events that seem impossible to our human perspective.